Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to explore how position synchronization works in Oracle HCM. So, what exactly is position synchronization? Position synchronization is the option available at both the enterprise level and the legal entity level for all the positions we create in Oracle HCM. When set to true, employees assigned to that position will have the same details as those defined in the position. Furthermore, if the details in the position change, the employee details will automatically update to reflect those changes. Now, what are the key benefits? It significantly reduces manual data entry errors. When an employee is assigned to a position, Oracle Core HR pulls in predefined attributes automatically. Any changes made to the position will instantly reflect in the employee record. HR can configure which attributes sync automatically or allow for manual overrides when necessary. Now, what are some common use cases? New hires automatically inherit position-related details upon joining. This also applies during employee promotions. Promotions or transfers trigger automatic updates, ensuring compliance with organization-wide job structures. Let's take a closer look at how it works. I have logged into a test instance for demonstration. Here, I have selected the employee Iris Nelson. Please check the allotted position for this user. First, we see how we can configure. Navigate to System and Maintenance. Select Manage Enterprise HCM Information. On that page, you can see the position synchronization configuration along with the option to enable position synchronization. You can also specify which fields should apply for this position synchronization. Feel free to add or remove options as you see fit. For the other option, we will navigate to Setup and Maintenance. Select the Manage Legal Entity HCM Information page. When you access this section, you will see that the current setting for position synchronization is set to use enterprise data. Thus, whatever configurations we set in Manage Enterprise HCM will be reflected for the particular legal entity we select. Additionally, this can be modified on the user page. Here, you have the option of synchronization from the position. You can easily set this to false if necessary. I have selected this specific position and opened its details. Currently, we can view the details for this particular position. Here, the location is set to 19 Valencia. I'm going to update this information now. Let's update it to today's date and change the location to Reston. After that, submit the changes. Now that the changes are submitted, we need to check the employee record. You will see that the location has automatically changed to Reston. Thank you for listening and engaging with this tutorial.